Can you earn $2,000 per month as an online tester using the uTest global testing platform? It sounds pretty exciting. All you have to do is just pick up some bugs on websites, report the problem, and you get paid for it. So is uTest a scam, or is it really worth your while to sign up with them? In this video, I'd like to share with you my findings on uTest so that it can help you to make an easier decision on what to do. So let's take a look at uTest. My name is Rupesh and I'd like to welcome you to this channel, Passive Income for All. If you're looking at building your own passive income online, then go ahead and take a look at my #1 recommendation. Just simply click on the link below this video and you'll learn more about how to get started with your very own online business. And if it's your first time to my channel, a very warm welcome to you. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that you can be kept up to date on what is happening within the world of online business. Alright, so now let's see what the uTest platform is all about. Okay, so here we are at the official uTest website. Just to get here, all you have to do is just type in www.utest.com, and it's the largest community of testers in the world. Earn money, learn new skills while helping world-class companies deliver amazing digital experiences. Become a uTester, learn new skills, grow and connect. uTest is the home of the largest community of digital freelance software testers in the world, helping some of the most recognized and iconic brands provide quality digital experience for their customers. So how exactly does uTest work? You create a uTest account, build your skills in Academy, receive and accept project invitations. Alright, uTest has actually been around since 2007. And it's basically a global community of over 500,000 testers as we speak. And the vision of the company is basically to give you an opportunity to learn on how to be a tester, how to earn money, as well as how you can connect with other testers within the community. So now I'm going to sign up with the platform and show you what the sign up process is all about, and we shall take it from there. To sign up at uTest is a 4-step process. The first step, you have to tell them about yourself. Then you just choose your address. They accept registrations from all over the world. So that's quite easy, and that's actually a positive part. Then you just need to tell them about the device that you're using. They'll automatically pick up your system. And then the last step is to choose your password, accept the terms and conditions, and then you will go into the, you complete it with the registration process. Welcome to the world's largest community of freelance software testers. We are excited to have you on your way to be in contact with some of the community digital freelance testers. Now that you've gathered the information, we can show you how you can go about getting started with uTest. The steps is to first participate in the uTest Academy, complete your tester profile, and then set up your payment and you're ready to get going. Okay, so here I am in the uTest testing dashboard section, and that's my name, Rupesh Pavan, and this is what the dashboard looks like. If you go down here, it will tell you here that hello uTesters. The uTest Academy is a training program designed to teach essential software testing skills and give testers the opportunity to practice those skills in live practice test cycles. And each week hundreds of testers participate in these training cycles, and every week the team selects one tester from each of the Academy practice cycles to recognize them for their outstanding work. So as you do the normal training within the Academy, then if you show consistency, then they can nominate you. And these are the latest nominees for August 3rd, and this is the various departments. And if you go down here, then you will also see the criteria that they use to select the testers for the week. High quality issue reports with all the required attachments, correctly executed test cases, useful and insightful feedback, and helpful and active participation in the cycle chat room. And if you go further down, they have also got the uTest Academy, because these are the other nominations. But if you go further down here, I want to show you the Academy, the chat room, and this is congratulations. So this is more the forum, congratulations to all I'm very happy that the uTest nominated me as a test of the week. So each of these blog articles have got their own forum. So these are the various articles, and with each of them there is a forum that takes place of all the members. So let's quickly take a look at what the Academy is all about. Okay, so here we are in the uTest Academy. As you can see, these are the various training courses that they have available once you sign up and you successfully log into the members area. They cover various training areas. The areas that they cover include uTest basics, uTest mobile apps, cycle processes, slots, test cases, bug reports, introduction to testing, computer testing, mobile device testing, Charles Proxy, Academy Challenge. So these are all the trainings that you can do. Let's take a look at the first one, Talks with Jeremiah. Okay, so this is the training area, and this is Jeremiah Dargis, and he is the Academy architect, and he is talking about how you can go about making money at uTest. I just muted this video just to show you who the main guy is behind the Academy. Okay, I just want to also show you that once you finish a specific module, then there will be a quiz, and you can take the quiz. Like this one here is the introduction to uTest, and this is the first quiz. Once you finish these sections within the module, then you can go ahead and take this quiz. Now, let us take a look at how much you can earn with uTest. Okay, so before we talk about how much you can earn with the platform, let's first take a look at how they pay you. And they say members with a PayPal account may register on the site, and payments will be made directly on the 15th. And should the 15th or the last day fall on a weekend, the payment will be made on the next business day. So they basically pay you on the 15th and the last day of each calendar month. So you get paid twice a month. Or alternatively, you can register for a debit card through the Payoneer system. And then, according to the terms and conditions, they say you shall be entitled to receive payments solely for bugs and other test artifacts that you identify during the performance of testing services that you report to. So in other words, what we are really trying to say here is that it depends on the quality of the bugs that you pick up on certain projects or certain assignments that you're given. And if the bugs are quite severe or quite valuable for that business, then you in turn will get paid a higher amount for that particular project. Now, one of the things that they also mentioned here is that the amount of pay that you get per project will actually be viewed before you decide to accept a specific project. And here we are in the projects board, and as you can see from here, some of these projects are worldwide projects, so they'll tell you that it's accepted from anywhere in the world. Most of these actually are worldwide projects. But the interesting thing what I want to highlight is, like for instance, tested with specific Samsung TVs needed. So if you were to click on that, it would tell you we are looking for testers with Samsung TVs only. Additional mobile device may be required, but they don't tell you the pay. And most of these projects are like that, where they give you a description, but you don't have an idea of how much it is that you're going to be getting paid. So that is actually, in my opinion, a red flag. You just have to go ahead and apply, and if you do that, if you click on apply, it takes you to the next screen where it tells you that you need to complete a specific module within the Academy, but they still don't tell you what the pay on that project is. So it's very hard to gauge how much you will get paid when you do sign up with uTest. I then went into Quora to find out, since the website does not have any place where they got any payment proofs, and this was dated in 2016, and it says on average you can get about $200 to $500 if you keep some quality bugs and you are getting frequent invitations to do test cycles. So in other words, once you complete the academy, and only once having completed all the modules within the academy, you can get invitations to complete test cycles, and then depending on that project, you can get paid around this amount. And further up, I want to show you another reply, which is from this gentleman here, from Alex. This is also dated in 2017, and he says, this is very approximate, but these are definitely things that can affect your income. He's talking about your skills, your location, your uTest rating. But he says, depending on how hard you work, you can earn $500 to $3,000. So once again, it's still not concrete how much you can earn with uTest. What about folks who have used the platform? What are the responses from the users? Take a look at this. Right, so here we are in Trustpilot, and as you can see with Trustpilot, here are the various reviews on uTest. I can only echo the other reviews. Unfortunately, I can only echo the other reviews in terms of security issues, not getting paid. I was eventually accepted to a project, spent half the day on it. Everyone on the task experienced issues with the uTest system, and finally after all this I was not paid. So that's the one user review. At first they seemed like professionals, 2 stars there, but after just 2 months I can find a whole lot of meaningless situations. Then there's a whole long story there. Global exploitation and bad management. And so it goes on there. He goes on to say it might take up to 12 hours for a PM to reply, and you have to be available for them if you have questions or for you to do some modifications of the job. So you must spend days to close a job at worth $5. So does this mean that uTest is a scam? It's time now for the verdict. So now, is uTest a scam, or is it going to be worth your while? Look, they've got a pretty active social media following, and the community members are engaging with each other. In fact, I still remember when I finished the first module, one of the first things that they told you is that you need to engage with the rest of the community members. And I think this is a good thing because everybody is together in it and it doesn't make you feel like you're all alone. And that's a good part. So I really do like that thing. However, as far as the earning potential is concerned, I feel that they need to offer one more transparency into how much you can make when you sign up as a global tester. I mean, they could have at least had a separate section where they would show you the payment proofs, so at least you'll know, okay, this is how much members have earned thus far on the uTest platform. Or maybe even on the social media platform, they should encourage the members to share proof that, you know, they have made money. Also, as far as the projects are concerned, they should also give one an idea of how much you can earn per a specific project. This would give you an idea now of how much work you have to do and how much you get paid for doing that particular task. Then I want to talk to you about 2 drawbacks about uTest. The first drawback is that there is no guarantee of jobs. Even if you do end up completing all the tasks within the academy, you still have to wait for them to send you an invitation to take out a paid test cycle for a real client. As I showed you earlier on, this platform has got 500,000 global testers. So to start off, it can be a bit of a challenge. And then the second drawback is that in order to earn money with uTest, it's going to be an active income thing. In other words, you have to consistently be doing or physically be doing the job in order to earn money. And as you've seen in one of the complaints, this one guy, he spent so much of his time just to earn $5. Now at the end of the day, if these 2 drawbacks or if these 2 issues don't bother you, then perhaps you can give the uTest testing platform a shot. That concludes my review of uTest. I hope that it has helped you out. If you would like to get started in your online journey, then please go ahead and click on the video link in the description below, and it will take you to the #1 teaching platform that helped me to get started within the online world, and it can help you to get started as well. Thanks so much for watching. I look forward to checking you out in my next video, and do be safe. Goodbye.